Gene and DNA structure, unraveling the code of life. Gene. Genes are the molecular units of inheritance, acting as specific segments on a chromosome that are primarily made up of DNA. These segments encode certain proteins which, in turn, manifest as observable traits or characteristics in organisms. The crux of genetics lies in the passing down of these traits from one generation to the next, ensuring continuity in lineage. Within our own species, humans have an estimated 30,000 genes, each strategically positioned on our chromosomes. DNA and its structure. In all living cell, DNA is the hereditary material. In unicellular organisms, DNA lies directly in the cytoplasm, but in multicellular organisms, DNA lies in the cell nucleus. Within a cell nucleus, DNA is organized into dense protein DNA complexes called chromosomes. DNA is composed of two linear strands that runs opposite to each other and twist together to form a double helix. Its intricate structure unveiled by James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953. Their groundbreaking discovery was recognized with a Nobel Prize in 1962. DNA is encapsulated by histones, forming structural units known as nucleosomes. DNA is also called a macromolecule because it is a very large single molecule. It consists of two strands helically coiled with each other. Each strand of DNA has a complex chemical structure. Specific features of structure of DNA. The foundation of the DNA helix lies in its building blocks nucleotides. Each nucleotide comprises three subunits, a pentose sugar, phosphate, and a nitrogenous base. DNA hosts four principal nitrogenous bases: adenine, A, guanine, G, cytosine, C, and thymine, T. The bonding pattern is quite specific. Adenine pairs with thymine, held together by two hydrogen bonds A is equal to T, while guanine pairs with cytosine, stabilized by three hydrogen bonds GC. A remarkable feature of DNA is its ability to replicate. During this process, each strand of the original DNA serves as a template, guiding the synthesis of a new complementary strand. This ensures genetic continuity and stability across cell divisions. Essentially, the inheritance of our ancestors and the blueprint for our future are encoded in our genetic code, which is organized into gene and contained within DNA. Formation of new DNA, understanding DNA replication. New DNA strands are formed by copying, using DNA template. This process is known as DNA replication. During interphase of the cell cycle, DNA replicates, for distributing it equally between the two daughter cells during mitosis. Replication of DNA is a consecutive process involving the action of various enzymes. The process of DNA replication involves the following steps. 1. DNA double helix uncoil from one end, breaking the hydrogen bond present between the base pairs so that DNA strands separates. 2. New nucleotide joined with the complementary nucleotide along each old strand. Therefore, new strands begin to form. 3. The process proceeds gradually in sequence along the whole length of the DNA molecule. 4. Consequently, two identical DNA molecules are formed from one DNA molecule. Structure of centromere. The centromere plays a pivotal role in the mechanics of cell division. Positioned on the chromosome, it serves as the anchor point for spindle fibers, the thread-like structures that pull chromosomes apart during cell division. When you look closer at a chromosome, you'll notice a region that's slightly pinched or constricted. This is known as the primary constriction. Within this narrowed segment lies the centromere. This region is distinct from the rest of the chromosome not just in its appearance, but also in its composition. A noteworthy aspect of the centromere's DNA is its unique structural formation. Unlike most of the chromosomal DNA, which wraps around protein complexes forming structures called nucleosomes, the DNA in the centromere exists in a more naked or exposed state. This distinction in structure is believed to be essential for the centromere's crucial function during cell division. Learning outcomes. The term chromosome is derived from Greek words meaning color body because of their ability to absorb dyes. Chromosomes are assemblies of chromatin found in the cell nucleus, composed of DNA and histone proteins. The term chromosome was introduced by Waldeyer in 1888. Walter Fleming, in 1888, observed these structures in the dividing cells of salamander larvae. A chromosome comprises twin structures known as chromatids connected at a central point called the centromere. When a chromatid is in its early stage of condensation, it's referred to as a chromonema, which contains genes. Chromatin fibers are primarily called DNA. DNA is wrapped around histone proteins to form nucleosomes. DNA constitutes about 40% of chromatin, with the remaining being specific proteins called histones. Chromosomes are typically measured during the metaphase stage of cell division, with sizes ranging between 0.25 micrometer and 30 micrometers. Their shape depends on the position of the centromere, which divides the chromosome into two segments or arms. The centromere's position can categorize chromosomes as telocentric, acrocentric, submetacentric, or metacentric. Every species maintains a consistent chromosome number across its cells, categorized as either haploid, N, or diploid, to N. Notably, an organism's size or complexity doesn't correlate with its chromosome number. Humans have 46 chromosomes, with 22 pairs being autosomes and 1 pair being sex chromosomes. Karyotypes describe the features of a chromosome set, while ideograms are visual representations of these karyotypes. Chromosomes have regions of euchromatin and heterochromatin based on their condensation, with the bar body being an inactive X chromosome. Chromosomes serve various functions, from being genetic bridges to introducing variations and regulating protein synthesis. They are also central to cell metabolism and can influence evolution through mutations. Adding or removing chromosomes can cause severe disorders in an organism. Genes, found on chromosomes, are segments primarily made up of DNA. Humans have about 30,000 genes located on their chromosomes. James Watson and Francis Crick unveiled DNA's structure in 1953. DNA consists of nucleotides, which have a pentose sugar, phosphate, and a nitrogenous base. DNA can replicate, using its strands as templates to create new complementary strands. The centromere is essential for cell division, serving as an anchor for spindle fibers. The primary constriction on a chromosome houses the centromere. DNA in the centromere has repetitive sequences that form the kinetochore, essential for spindle fiber attachment. Unlike other chromosomal DNA, centromeric DNA doesn't wrap around proteins to form nucleosomes.